need to start cleaning a floor with your i-Mop, it's important that you choose the right equipment. There are 3 categories: brushes, pads, or twister diamond pads. Brushes are used for uneven surfaces. Pads for uneven or coarse surfaces. Twister diamond pads are used on surfaces that need to be refinished. Brushes are available in 3 types: red, the hard nylon brush for brick and non-slip surfaces; light blue, the soft brushes for untreated surfaces; and the blue, which is a general-purpose nylon brush. Pads are available in 5 different colors: white for polishing, red for light floor cleaning, blue, general-purpose floor cleaning, green for coarse surface cleaning, and black for heavily soiled hard surfaces. Twister diamond pads are available in 4 different types: green for daily cleaning and slightly dirty floors, yellow for coarse surface cleaning and removing light dirt, blue for daily cleaning of heavily soiled areas, and orange for deep cleaning of heavily soiled areas. Remember that all pads must be used with a pad driver. Then you are ready for an optimal cleaning of any surface.